Rims and tires are on. Went with 10-inch wide all the way around. Kumo tires, 225/50 15s on these. Still kind of getting used to it. Would like to lower the back by an inch. Probably raise the front by an inch. But I don't know. Also thinking about cutting them off, the fenders. Putting some fender flares on it. I do need some center caps, so if you guys know of a good place to find some center caps, let me know. But yeah, that's it. They're wide and they're deep. Gonna be perfect to take this thing camping. Hope you enjoy it. That's it for now.